Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, The Chat Club. This is Vasant Manik. In this video, we're gonna see about rain lilies, one of the easiest plants to grow, maintain and propagate. The clipping right now you're watching was shot in a mall, Tex Valley, which is near my town, Erode district, Tamil Nadu. In our channel, for gardening lovers, an exclusive gardening playlist link has been mentioned in the description. Kindly do watch. Okay, let's get into the video. Rain lily plants grace any garden bed or container, producing adorable blooms following a good rain shower. Rain lilies are easy maintenance plants that can be easily grown during summer and monsoon season as well. Growing this plant is not difficult when the right conditions are available to the plant. Rain lily bulbs produce small size blossoms in abundance once they are settled in the right spot. Once if there is a rainfall, maybe after a couple of days, you can find new buds and flowers. So that's why it is called rain lilies. Regarding colors, white, pink, yellow are the most common color rain lilies, and also these color plants are easy to find. Several types of rain lilies are available in today's market. Newer hybrids come in a range of colors, and the bloom time will vary by cultivar, but basically their care is same. Regarding sunlight, choose an area in full sun to plant rain lilies. Some dappled shade or afternoon shade is usually tolerated, especially in hot climates. Rain lily grows best in full sun and well-drained soil. It does not blossom well if it is kept in complete shade. Regarding potting, rain lilies grow well in pots. The top of the bulbs should be covered by an inch of soil, although generally planted 2 to 4 inches apart when in the ground, but when grown in containers, rain lilies bulbs can be placed closer together as they prefer being crowded. When grown on grounds, plant your rain lilies in a location where the soil drains well and where they can receive full sunlight. As with many small flowering bulbs, rain lilies look best when planted in large drifts, and that's what you are seeing right now. Regarding flowering, an individual flower will only last a few days, with the heaviest flush of blooms occurring first. The bulbs may bloom occasionally throughout the rest of the season, especially after a rainfall. Regarding watering, provide rain lilies plenty of moisture during spring and summer. Water the ground-grown rain lilies periodically during the growing season. Rain lilies grown in containers require more frequent watering depending on the size of the container. Do not overwater the plant and make the soil soggy. Regarding propagation, rain lilies can be propagated from bulbs and also by seeds as well. When you propagate from bulbs, all you have to do is dig holes and plant the bulbs 1 to 2 inch deep and 2 to 4 inch apart. In softer soil, these little bulbs can be dropped into the holes made with your finger or the end of a stick. So propagating rain lilies is as simple as poke, drop, cover, next. Another method of propagation is by seeds. Rain lilies can be propagated by seeds. The seed pods that form after flowering are capable of maturing within a week or maybe 10 days. The tripart pods may suddenly burst, so it's best to pick the pods while they are still in closed condition but have begun to turn yellowish in color. If you do so, they'll continue their final maturity after picking and won't be lost on the grounds. Collect the seeds in a small paper bag. Don't use plastic. If you use a paper bag, the seeds can dry very quickly. You can store them in a paper bag until you're ready to plant them again. Regarding humidity, rain lilies are best suited for warm and humid environments. Gardeners in colder region zones can still enjoy these plants in containers where they perform reliably good. So I hope this video would have been useful to you. We have published many videos about gardening tips and tricks about indoor plants and its maintenance and many more stuffs about gardening. The gardening playlist link has been mentioned in the description. If you found our videos to be interesting, kindly like, share and subscribe, and more importantly, don't forget to click the bell icon. Also kindly follow us on our Instagram page as well to get regular updates. Thanks for watching.